locked in that plexiglass box. You must unlock the 3 locks, open the door, and drop yourself into the water. Before you can get through those locks, though, you will first have to get through these. All right, he's working it. Look at that thing swing around, man.
Still on the handcuffs, huh?
Yeah, he's got it off. He's got it off. He's got one off. He's working on the second one. All right, he's got the second one off. Now he's working on the first lock.
That's how he does this.
Remember, there's 3 locks, 3 keys. He got the first one. He's got the second one. There he goes. That's time.
Damn, bro, that's good. That was quick.
Oh, you're gonna
1
love
minute,
that.
9 seconds.
Man, I was
Good
in there
job.
that long?
It was a long time, man.
Dude.
It seemed like it took you the most time to get rid of the
I know,
handcuffs.
I was all confident about that too. I was all confident about the handcuffs and they just didn't work out for me.